Hi everyone, uh, welcome to my new video. So in our previous video we have learned about features of Java and the architecture of Java. So in this part 2 of our video we will learn about identifiers and reserved keywords. So what are identifiers? So identifier is a name given to any variable or a class name or a method name. So those are identifiers. So let's understand these with a program. So let's suppose we have a program this where we create a class, suppose with name identifier itself. In this class we will create a main class, public static void main. So it's okay if you don't know about public static or any of this, ये सब हम अपनी नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे. Inside this we have a variable. So what in this what are identifiers? So as I said, identifier ये एक नेम है जो हम किसी भी वेरिएबल को, क्लास को, मेथड को, इंटरफेसिस को, पैकेज जिसको भी देते हैं वो आइडेंटिफायर है. तो अभी हमारी क्लास है, इसको हमने नेम दिया आइडेंटिफायर, तो ये एक आइडेंटिफायर है. इसी तरह so in this public static void main, this is a method with name as main, so this is also an identifier. Similarly, string args, so we are passing arguments to a function. So this is function name main, and arguments to a function we have used this name args here, so this is again an identifier. Similarly, we have created a variable for a method, local variable, so this variable a, this is also an identifier. Okay, so these are identifiers. So identifiers are nothing, just a name given to any like class or method or a package or an interface or a method or abstract class, anything whatsoever you name, you are giving a name, that's an identifier. And so these identifiers, these are case sensitive. That means this, if you write args as this or args as this, both are different. Okay, these are not same, so these are case sensitive. And also for creating an identifier, so there are certain conditions to create it. So these identifiers can have a to z small, a to z caps, numbers from 0 to 9, and two special character, that is dollar and underscore. So your identifier can be combination of all this, and in this combination your identifier should not start with 1a like numeric and then your alphabet. It cannot start with a, this, it can be a1, a underscore 1, a dollar 1, or underscore a underscore b, but it should not start with number. So this is not correct, but these are correct. So identifier should not start with number. So these are about identifiers. So if we have to talk about reserved keywords, so if we have to talk about reserved keywords, so reserved keywords are nothing, just जावा ने अपने कुछ प्री डिफाइंड नेम्स हैं जिनको उसने रिजर्व करके रखा है कि भाई तुम उन नेम्स को कहीं पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, गिवन एज एन आइडेंटिफायर. से सपोज दिस क्लास is a reserved keyword. Similarly, this public is a reserved keyword. This static is a reserved keyword. So these are the keywords जो जावा ने पहले से ही अपने लिए रिजर्व कर लिए हैं कि भी तुम इसको एज आइडेंटिफायर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फाइनल है वो रिजर्व्ड कीवर्ड है, कॉन्स्ट है वो रिजर्व्ड कीवर्ड है. इसी तरह इंटरफेस है, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो रिजर्व्ड कीवर्ड. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इज़ अ रिजर्व्ड कीवर्ड. सिमिलरली एक्सटेंड reserved keyword, for is a reserved keyword, while is a reserved keyword, etc. So these are the reserved keywords जो जावा ने अपने लिए फिक्स कर लिए हैं. So there are total 53 keywords जो रिजर्व हैं. इवन फॉर नाउ अभी कोई कॉन्स्ट नहीं होता जावा में, बट स्टिल जावा ने इसे भी रिजर्व की तरह रखा हुआ है. सिमिलरली गो टू भी अभी कुछ नहीं होता जावा, बट जावा ने इसे भी रिजर्व रखा है. सो देर आर टोटल 53 कीवर्ड्स जो कि रिजर्व हैं, और इन रिजर्व कीवर्ड्स को तुम एज अ आइडेंटिफायर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. So that's it about identifier and reserved keyword. So if you have any questions regarding these, you can ask in comment section, and in our next video we will learn about data types. This would be the topic of our next video, data types. So thank you guys for watching this.